If you've heard of that viral tortilla folding hack, I am about to take it to a new level with 4 different tortilla folding hack recipes. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, just hang tight. I'll explain it to you in a second. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. And like I said, we are playing with that viral tortilla folding hack today. So what is this? It apparently was born on TikTok, like all of the latest food trends, like the hot cocoa bombs. But what you do is you take a large tortilla and you cut halfway into the center of the tortilla and you load it up with 4 different things, and then you fold the tortilla into quarters and you fry it on both sides and get like one mega nice sandwich. Today we are going to do 4 different variations. The first one is a teriyaki chicken tortilla wrap. So it is going to be some shredded chicken, homemade teriyaki sauce, some pineapple, and some Swiss cheese, all folded up in that tortilla and fried, and then of course devoured. The next one is a French dip tortilla fold. It has shredded beef that I cooked in my Instant Pot. We'll have some caramelized onions and some Swiss cheese, and we will also have this like spread that is absolutely delicious. It's a cream cheese spread that I put on to my French dip sliders. So all of that will be fried together into one nice sandwich. And then we are going to do a Mexican chicken tortilla wrap. It will have my honey lime chicken recipe that's made in the Instant Pot, along with some guacamole, some sour cream, and some shredded cheese. Of course, fried and eaten. And last but not least, we are doing a dessert tortilla fold. It has my apple pie dip, so it's essentially like apple pie filling in there, with caramel and cinnamon and sugar and some pecans, all fried. And then to top it off, I think we need to have like a scoop of ice cream on there. Let the ice cream melt and then eat that. Like, I cannot even wait to taste that one. It is going to be delicious. Let's get to assembling all of these tortilla folds and frying them, and then we can get to the taste test. Now that we have all of these ready to go, let's head over and fry them. Here you have the tortilla fold hack done 4 different ways of 4 different meals, and I can't even tell you how excited I am to taste all of these. They all smell delicious, and like, what's better than a tortilla stuffed with delicious things that's like easy to eat, and you don't have to try and stuff it all and wrap it, because I'm awful at that. I always overstuff my tortillas when I have to wrap it into a burrito. So yeah, give this one a try for sure. And in the description below, I will have all of the details for all of these individual recipes so you can make them at your house too. So here we have our chicken teriyaki. It's the one with the teriyaki sauce, pineapple, you know, all that good stuff. I don't know where I want to bite from. Oh, that is good. Oh, if that teriyaki sauce didn't have so much sugar in it, I'd eat this whole thing. Oh, make that one faux show. Okay, next up is the French dip. I want some of the onions. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. I think I could eat one of these like every single day of my life. That's good. Those are equally good. They're very different, but equally good. Okay, now this guy. The honey lime chicken. Got guac in there, cheese. That flavor is so good. The honey lime chicken and the guac together are like magic. Oh, that's good. Okay, I really want to put ice cream on this, but I really probably shouldn't eat this one. So it smells really good. Who wants to take a bite of it? Who volunteers as tribute?
Tell them why you can't eat it.
I'll flash you my patch. I have gestational diabetes, and so I can't eat that one. Way too much sugar in there.